Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Amy Lighthouse Cottage 1 minute walk to the beach, keyless locks. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking and a free Wi-Fi. Amy Lighthouse Cottage 1 minute walk to the beach, keyless locks, a property with a garden, is located in Bradenton Beach, a few steps from Cortez Beach, a 3-minute walk from Coquina Beach, as well as 0.6 miles from Bradenton Beach. There's an in-house restaurant, plus free private parking and free Wi-Fi are available. The air-conditioned vacation home is composed of one separate bedroom, a fully equipped kitchen with a microwave and a fridge, and one bathroom. Towels and bed linen are offered. John and Mable Ringling Museum of Art is 14 miles from the vacation home, while the John and Mable Ringling Museum of Art is 14 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Sarasota Bradenton International Airport, 14 miles from Amy Lighthouse Cottage. 1 minute walk to the beach, keyless locks. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.